24. For f of x equals 5x plus 1, find f of negative 4. So the f of negative 4, we're just going to replace x with negative 4. It's 5 times negative 4 plus 1. So that's going to be negative 20 plus 1, which would be negative 19. The answer is A. 25. Graph the equation. Okay, so y equals negative 1/4 x minus 3. Well, we know the y-intercept, mx plus b, the y-intercept is negative 3. So we're looking for a y-intercept of negative 3. And I have a slope of negative 1/4. That means down 1 to the right 4. So down 1 to the right 4. 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 The only one that matches up those 2 points, as we can see, is number B. 26. Find the slope of the line through these pair of points. Well, the slope is rise over run, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. xy in their ordered pairs. So it's going to be negative 2 minus 12 over negative 6 minus 6. So that's going to be negative 14 over negative 12, which can reduce to 7 over 6 positive. So the answer is C. Okay, 27. Find the point slope form of the equation of the line passing through points negative 6, negative 4, and 2 and negative 5. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label these point 1 and point 2 and their x and their y values. Okay, so negative 6, negative 4, 2, negative 5. So first thing you do is find the slope. So the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's going to be negative 4 minus negative 5 over negative 6 minus 2. I actually used the ones first, but it doesn't matter as long as you do it consistently. So when you add those together, you're going to get 1 over negative 8. So the slope of this line is going to be negative 1 over 8. So point slope form is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So y minus negative 4 equals negative 1/8 times x minus negative 6. So I'm going to get y plus 4 equals negative 1/8 times x plus 6. Y plus 4 times negative 1/8 x plus 6. 28. Find the slope of the line. All right, the easiest way to find the slope of the line is to put it in y equals mx plus b. So basically just solve for y. So I have 3x plus 5y equals negative 15. So I'm going to subtract 3x to each side. So 5y equals negative 3x minus 15. Divide everything by 5. So y equals negative 3 over 5x minus 3. So my slope is negative 3 over 5. My answer is C. Okay, find an equation for the line that is perpendicular to something and goes through a point. Well, the point it goes through is 2, 6. All right, the slope it is perpendicular to is negative 5 over 4. So its slope must be the opposite reciprocal of that. So its slope must be positive 4/5. Okay? So I can rewrite my equation. Okay? Y minus y1, which is at 6, equals my slope times x minus 2. So let's distribute everything. So y minus 6 equals 4/5 x minus 8 over 5. So we're going to add 6 to each side. So it's going to be y equals 4 over 5x minus 8 over 5 plus 6. We'll put it over 1. So what do I need to do to this 6 to get a denominator of 5? I need to multiply the top and bottom by 5. So I can say y equals 4/5 x minus 8 over 5 plus 30 over 5, which would be 4 over 5x plus 22 over 5. So my answer would be, it looks like C. Okay. 30. Okay. Through -7 and -4, and it's vertical. Well, let's just plot that real quick. Here's 0, 0. So it's going to go through -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and -4. So there's my point, -7, -4. It's vertical, all right? So it has no slope. It's undefined. So it's going to be x equals, well, what's the x value? -7. So it's going to be x equals -7. Answer is D. 31. Determine whether y varies directly with x. Well, to vary directly, you can't have any baggage. So the answer is no. All right, find the value of y for the given value of x, and if y varies directly to x. So when y is 4.8, when x is 2.4, what is y when x is 2.05? So we can cross multiply, or actually we can simplify and say 2 equals y over 2.05. Multiply each side by 2.05, so 4.1 equals y. So we're looking for positive 4.1. The answer is A. Again, when it directly varies, we can just set up proportions and ratios. All right.